Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we have the formula in here. So in this one we have 8 minus b. We want to cancel the square root, so that means we need to have a to the power of 2. To create this one, we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So we have like this. So in this one, that is about x plus 6 minus number 9. And now this one we have negative number 3. This one we have 3 square. Now we need to transform this one into this one. And now we can simplify. So we put number 3 go in here. So we calculate this one and we got 36. This is the end. Thank you for watching.